Hi, here I'll show you some methods to quickly draw ADA parking symbols and lines for a planimetric survey. I'll select the circle tool and start drawing the handicap symbol using the edge first mode. Then I'll fill in the body of the symbol with the polyline tool. I'll draw the body, leg, and arm using a straight polyline. Then use the arc tool to draw the wheel. I'll select the rectangle tool and set the drawing mode to diagonal first to complete the square. I can then select all the geometries of the symbol and use the Move Copy tool to duplicate the ADA symbol across the entire parking lot. For the ADA parking lines, I'll use both the Polyline and Move Copy tools. First, I'll draw the outline. Then draw the inner lines, and since most of the lines are the same length, I can draw one and use the Move Copy tool to quickly duplicate all the inner lines. I simply snap them to the outline geometry as I copy each one. The last line is a tad long, so I'll quickly use Edit Vertex to fix the length of that last line and finish the drawing. There is an identical ADA parking zone, so I'll use the Move Copy tool again to quickly duplicate it. Then I just have one parking line left to draw for this section of the parking lot. With the first set of symbols and lines drawn, I can use the Move Copy tool to quickly duplicate these symbols and lines for the entire survey.